Hi, my name's Pat. I'm a developer. I've been developing for the past 20 years. I got into the blockchain space back in 2012. My team has developed a couple of blockchain apps in the past couple of years. And we also run a NYC Bitcoin meetup here in the city. And we also do wallet security classes for new users of crypto. Aside from that, my main responsibilities for this project is making sure the architecture for the application makes sense and the business logic makes sense. Aside from also doing code reviews here and there.
Hi, my name is Dion. I'm a full stack developer for the past 5 years and have worked with different protocols from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and EOS. I worked with Pat for the past few years from multiple projects from web to crypto. And my main responsibility for the project is to implement the backend and frontend code and also making sure that our service is up and running.
Our project called Layers mission is to enhance the web by creating a new permissionless layer. So we're here to really want to create something practical for everyday users where you're able to cut out middlemen and also provide new features not native to the site originally. So originally the target is one-way payment transaction sites like GoFundMe and other donation sites. Reason why is that these type of transactions are one-way, meaning that you're not expecting a service or a product back, which works really well for what we're trying to do. So the problem that we see with charitable giving is fees. So when you want to support a campaign, GoFundMe has the potential to take up to 8% of what you're donating. Okay, and another thing is region restrictions due to Visa credit card and other credit card companies. So right now, GoFundMe only supports up to 19 countries only. So let's say you have your campaign owner and your friends and family abroad in a country that's not supported. Now they won't be able to even use their credit card to support you on your campaign. So that's one major problem. Okay, and the next thing is financial privacy. So you have campaigns that are kind of controversial, like the Hong Kong protests, right? So if you wanted to support this and you wanted to add a transaction on your credit card that's showing that you supported this, it might expose you to maybe the Chinese government for whatever reason. So privacy is very important in that aspect. So the solution that we came up with is creating a Chrome extension. Right. So right here, so this campaign doesn't have the payment layer injected yet. So once the Chrome extension is installed, it injects a payment layer between the user and the business, which is GoFundMe here. So this enables the ability for any user and any campaign owner to accept funds from anywhere around the world, regardless of whatever terms of service that GoFundMe states. Okay, so because this is all done through the extension and not on the website itself. Okay, and originally this idea came from a personal need where I had to donate money to a friend's daughter that actually had cancer, and we saw that GoFundMe was taking a big chunk of the fees, right? So we decided, we're just going to give to them directly, and we realized, maybe there's a lot of people like that too. And it'll be great if we could just skip out the middleman completely and just get the money to whoever needs it directly without all these middlemen. So here we have is a GoFundMe campaign as a demo. So right now the campaign is being loaded, and once the page finished load, the extension actually injects a payment layer. So currently this campaign has received 1.3 EOS in cryptocurrency, and also supported coins are Bitcoin. So if we want to make a new pledge for this campaign, so we'll do EOS. Okay, so balance currently on this EOS account is 4.9 EOS. All right, so we do 1.111. So another feature that we've implemented is being able to do a repeating pledge. So let's say we want to do a 1 EOS every week, we'll be able to do that. So currently that functionality is not native to that site. So good luck, get well. All right, preview. So preview before we send it. All right, so once the pledge is sent, so what happens here is that it sends the private key of the EOS account to our server for processing. So once the campaign owner has verified that they own this page, we actually process all the private keys. So that's why the service is a non-custodial wallet service. So that means we don't control any, the users do not send any coins to us. So we just process transactions. So that's one unique feature of our application. All right. So once it's processing on the server side, so what happens with the EOS smart contract is that on the back end, it actually writes to a EOS smart contract table of all the campaigns and how much they're funded with. So this is how we keep track. This is one way of doing it, right? So this public data is actually pulled in from the extension, and that's how all of this stuff is shown and linked together. So obviously, there's a lot more technical aspects behind it, which we might not see. We also even have a dashboard on our backend, which informs us exactly how many pledges are going on and how many active users are there. So, so this is still work in progress, and but it is a functional working prototype.